Actually, I'll talk a little bit more because I just wanted to cover something. I just wanted to put something out there because I've been working with it for the last, I don't know, about 6 weeks. 6 weeks I've been full on promoting my YouTube videos so that people can try the YouTube videos, the free ones, the public ones. And the reason for this is I want to get it above, on YouTube, if you go above 4,000 public viewed hours a year, you can partner YouTube. And you get a bit of money for that, but for me, that will be next to nothing. That's not the point of it for me. They will start to promote me. As soon as I go over 4,000 hours, I get to partner them, and they will actually start promoting the webinars. So I would really appreciate a bit of help. I've got 3,800 hours at the minute for this year. And I've got a window of 3 or 4 weeks, because like in 3 weeks or 4 weeks a year ago, I started promoting it a lot. So there's not many views from this or from last year for these next 3 weeks. And if I can get those extra 200 hours through these next 3 or 4 weeks, then I'm over me 4,000. And hopefully YouTube will partner me. Then I can relax, because once you've got that, even if it goes back, you're still partnering them and they will still promote you. You know, people under that limit, I mean, I don't think they do anything, basically. It's just up to you to promote your videos. Past that point, they start doing something about it. When you get very big, then they promote you a lot. It's very one-sided, YouTube. You know, people who get a lot of views get a lot of help. People below that threshold don't get much. Over that threshold, they start building it up. And in my quest to conquer the world with holographic breathing, that would be a wonderful milestone to go through that 4,000 hours. It would just be appreciated to help me over that line, and then I won't have to worry, I won't have to push them so hard. I can relax, and I'm just so close to the edge of that. I don't want it to go past 3 weeks and I haven't got there, and then it's a struggle, because I started promoting kind of a year minus 3 weeks ago. Then I've got to get a lot more than I'm getting at the minute once it goes past that. So they're brilliant things there. There's on the last page of my website, there's over 30 YouTube videos, and they're great. They're really good. There's Tantra, working with the different energies, channeling. There's a whole group working with my vision of the cranial sea, and that takes away global blocks of how we view ourselves, how we view the blood-brain barrier, how we view that whole area. And you take those blocks away, and then you start being able to view your brain. You start ascending, you start evolving. So those are really good videos. They're really worth a view. It's worth, you know, if you've got friends who you think may be interested in holographic breathing, you know, pass that page on to them. If you enjoy it, they may enjoy it. You know, the whole consciousness of the earth can move forward just by listening to those videos. And it's not just me there. You know, as we're going to be working today, there are channels coming through. They come through loud and clear in those videos. You don't even have to listen to what I'm saying. When I listen to my videos and the meditations, I can't actually hear what I'm saying. I just, my brain starts pulsing because I know the channels. I just have to drop into the channels and I go with that. So you can just use them as a meditation without having to work out what I'm trying to say. And in today's webinar, you don't have to understand what I'm saying. It's doing something. It's doing something on another level. There's an energy coming in. I don't know what they're saying, but they're saying something. Something is going on. So those are there as a tremendous resource, will help you, will help other people, will help me get over that line so I don't have to keep pushing it, and I can spend more time just dealing with the webinars and what's going on here. But I'm so close to that line, I really appreciate a bit of help getting over that line. So if you'd like to give something back for this free webinar, for all of the free webinars I've done, there is something you can help me, you can give back to help me. You don't have to pay anything. You just watch the videos or turn them on or send them to people, and may change their lives, may change their lives forever. So would be appreciated. I wasn't expecting to say so much there. I prayed to the channel yesterday because I've been advertising it a lot, and over the last few days I think people are getting sick of my adverts and it's getting lower and lower, and I'm thinking I just want to get over the point. I don't want to pester everybody. I just want to get over that bit. So I was having a word with the channel and they said ask for help. So I'm asking for help. Help me through that bit. We can do it together. And just doing that, helping get, may change global consciousness, because YouTube will then be helping.